So let's start. Describe something that you have shared with others.
Sharing is a good habit. It teaches you the lesson of sacrifice. I shared a book with my friend. Uh, Actually, I read it a month before. It really helped me in improving my focus on future and my goals. So my friend was struggling to find focus on his goals. So I thought this book really helps him to focus on his goals. So lately, he really thanked me for this. For this,
Okay.
and it was a wonderful experience of sharing my book with my friend.
All right. 1 minute.
एक मिनट से कम है.
Okay, exactly. 51
Yes.
seconds. So
Yes.
just try to speak more. And you know how can you speak more? Add further detail. What you shared. Add further detail.
Yes.
Next, when you shared. So you need to add some more detail. When you add some more detail, automatically it's going to be fine. And after 1 minute, examiner will stop you. Right? You should not stop. Wait for the examiner to say, okay, like that. All right, let's move on to speaking part 3. Okay. Do you like to share food with others?
Yes, I love to share food with my friend. I often share my.
I often share.
I often share my tiffin with my friends.
This is a short answer. You need to add some more. For example, do you like to share food with others? Yes, I always love to share food with my friends. And on the other hand, if I find someone who is needy or if anyone is hungry who has no money to buy food, I love to share whatever I have and I like to share. So to answer your question, yes, I like to share food, whether that is my friend or someone unknown, a stranger, but I love to share my food with them. Just like this, okay? 5, 6 sentences.
Okay.
You'll be fine gradually. Just try to be talkative. Thank you.